Let it play, honey.
I love you too, Kenna. I'll see you soon. You be good with your mommy, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
I love you. I love you too, Kenna. I'll see you soon. You be good with your mommy, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.
She keeps playing it over and over.
I love
A
you
message,
too, Kenna. I'll see you soon.
a video message that he sent me on my
You be
phone
good
when
with
he
your
was away.
mommy, okay?
And he's not home from work yet. She wanted to
Bye-bye.
see it.
I love you.
But it's funny because, like, the first 2 times she kept responding. He says, "Be good for your mommy, okay?" And she says, "Mm-hmm." And then she'd say goodbye to him.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. All gone now.
Too, Kenna.
Mom's gonna take it away. Ready? Bye-bye. All over. Hey, girlie. Look at Mama. Can you say, uh-oh? Okay, let Mama have this now. Because look at the camera. Can you see yourself in the thing? Look. Kenna, say hi. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Can you say, oh boy? Say, wow. Wow. You're touching it? Wow. Can you say, Dada? What's that? What is it? Ow. Ow. You're pulling your little clippy out? It's probably a bad idea, right? Oh. Okay, Mama, sit here. Be careful. Can you... Hey, did you go swimming today? At Miss Ricky's house? You want to look? Look. Okay, there you go. Look. Say look. Can you say stuck? Say help. Say... Say stop crawling so close. Ah! Ah! Say... Ah! Honey, Mama can't see you when you're this close. Ow. Gosh. That hurts. Careful, you're going to fall off the edge. Ready? Get down. There you go. Kenna just had her bath. She's all ready for bed. Mom's toes? Hey, Kenna, where's your eyes? Eyes? Where's your nose? Where is Kenna? Hey, can you say ice? 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 Good girl. Is that your wheelbarrow for helping Daddy? Bye, Daddy. Love you. Whoops, that was not the thing to do, I guess. There we go. Hey, girl. What are you playing with? Where's... Uh-oh. Where's your eyes? Uh-oh. Is that your little wheelbarrow? Yeah? Oh, boy. Hey, where's your ball? Where's your ball, Kenna? Kenna, where's your ball? There it is. Can you throw it? Bounce, 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 bounce. Yay, Kenna! You did it.
No.
Wow, what's that?
Dog.
Yeah.
It's that. It's the food.
She got her little haircut about 5 or so days ago from Brian. And it looks, got your hair cut?
Okay.
Looks a lot better now, doesn't it? It's not so scraggly. Oh, Daddy book. Say, Daddy. Say, home, home, home.
Mama.
Home, home, home. Are you read about Daddy and friends? Say, Sarah. Kenna. Where's Sarah? Kenna.
Mama.
Mama. Mama and Kenna. Daddy and Kenna. Kenna and Sarah. Brooks and Kenna.
Dad.
Where's the baby?
Baby.
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 Good girl, baby.
Mama.
Mama. That's mommy, you're right. That's mama's page. Next page is Daddy. Mm-hmm.
Papa.
You are crazy. You are crazy.
Yeah.
Yep. Kenna, look at Mama, beautiful girl. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, you want to read it? Says, okay, let's see. Mommy and Kenna. Daddy and Kenna. Family. Mama, Dada, Kenna, Brooks. Uh-huh. Peekaboo. That's Mama and Kenna.
Let's go.
That's family. Dada. Mama. Dada. Family. Play ball. Oh, night-night time. Night-night. Sleepy time. Friends, Sarah and Kenna. Home. Home, home, home. Dada, Mama, Kenna, Brooks. Uh-huh. Party. Party time, party time. So can you show? Say there's Daddy, and over there's Mama, and then Kenna and Brooks. Can you say night-night? Hey you, say night-night.
No.
Night-night.
Na.
Night-night. Can you say no-no? Kenna, what does an elephant says? Hey Ken. What does an elephant say? Kenna, what does an elephant say? Look at me when you do it, honey. Hey, elephant says... You dancing? Can you dance? Ready? Yeah. Kenna. Can we do it again? Ready? You're not. She went and got that, and I thought she wanted to dance, but obviously she just wants to bite her fingernail. Let it play, honey. Uh-oh. The end. Can you say amen? Say, dear Jesus, thank you for my day. Dear Jesus.
No.
Uh-oh. What's going on, honey? Really? Really? You did it! You did it! Yay! Yay! You did it! Yay! Hey, Chubba Cheeks. Uh-huh. You do. Whoa, going the wrong way on the Zoom. What is that? Is that your little hair clip? Can Mama have it? So you can put it back in your hair? Want it in your hair? Here. Oh. Ouch. Ow. Is that owie? Owie? Thank you. Mama's gonna put it in her hair. See, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Can you say more, please?
No.
More, please? What's up? Oh, you have a little... Here, Mama, get it. There we go. Do you have one on this finger, too? There we go. Well done. Do you want to see Daddy again? Yeah? Ready?
I love you too, Jenna. I'll see you soon.
What did you do? You can't hit the mute button, you silly kid. Ready? Here.
I love you too, Jenna. I'll see you soon. You be good with your mommy, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.
Thank you. Is it all gone now?
I speak style.
Again, you want to hear it?
Speak.
Yes, please? Okay.
I love you too, Jenna. I'll see you soon. You be good with your mommy, okay?
Say bye, Daddy. Oh, kiss, kiss. Who are you talking to? Can Mom have her phone back?
Mama,
Yeah.
you see.
Before you do something silly? Here, look.
See?
I love you too, Jenna. I'll see you soon. You be good with your mommy, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.
Say bye, Dad.